This video, I'm going to show you guys how you can make $100 per day on YouTube without uploading videos. So this is going to be step-by-step video, guys, so make sure to watch this video till end. So what we do learn in today's video, guys, this is really important. So I'm going to show you guys how you can help people monetize their YouTube channels and how you can make money from that. I'm going to show you guys everything that you should learn about traffic, so what actually you can do with a YouTube traffic. I'm also going to show you guys how to find the right product for the right traffic. I'm going to show you guys how you can do paid influencer traffic, and also I'm going to show you guys what niche you should focus, because this is really important, guys, because a lot of you guys would stick with vloggers or something like that, but that traffic is basically useless. So you should focus in the niches, and I'm going to show you guys what niches you should focus in today's video. So make sure to watch this video till end. And also, if you're new to my YouTube channel, guys, make sure to press that subscribe button, because we upload daily videos on this channel on how to make money online, so you don't want to miss that out. So make sure to press that subscribe button. So what are we going to do, guys, in today's video? So I'm going to show you guys a few niches that you should go with. First niche, and you should write this down. So first niche is weight loss. So this is a really big niche. This is one of the biggest niches out there in the internet marketing community. So basically when people watch weight loss videos, they probably want to learn how they can lose weight. So you can actually use these kind of videos and actually talk with the owner of the video. So let's say this guy right here. So here you can see, you can actually if you check their description right here, and if you don't see that they have any products that they can offer to audience that are watching weight loss videos, these guys actually have some of the products right here, so you shouldn't go with them. But if they actually don't have any products, you can contact the owner of the channel and pay them, let's say, $100 to put affiliate link for some products. So what is affiliate link? So to show you guys example with ClickBank. So let's say we're going with weight loss, health and fitness. So here you can see this is a weight loss product. So this product probably costs around $47, and when someone buys this product, you're going to earn a commission. So what that means, when this product is $47, you're going to earn on average 75% of that $47. That is on average $39. So basically, when someone buys this product to your special affiliate link, you're going to earn for $39. So what you could do is you can go and contact these huge YouTube channels and ask them to promote your affiliate link. So you can do like paid promotion. You can offer them, let's say, $100 to post your link, for example, right here. And when someone clicks on your affiliate link, you're going to earn small commission. It is not actually small. I don't know why I said that, because you can earn on average per sale $39 for this product. For this product right here, $34. So how I can find all of affiliate products that you can find basically on the internet. So I'm going to also show you guys that, but let's do a little bit research. So why we should stick with, for example, weight loss? There are a few niches that I'm going to show you guys, but weight loss is actually good because you can, as I said, people that are watching weight loss videos, they're probably learning how to lose weight. So that is why you should go with weight loss videos. Another niche is motivation. So this is also a really huge niche. Here you can see this video has 20 million views. So imagine from 20 million views, if only, let's say, 0.1% bought this affiliate product on motivation. So here you can see on ClickBank, you can actually find in self-help, you can find motivational products. So there are tons and tons of different products. Here you can see on average per sale you can earn for this product $132. So imagine if from one person you have earned $138, and let's say from 20 million people 10,000 people bought your product, you would earn for this product over $1.5 million. So that is a lot of money with a little bit of work. So as I said, you should go to some of these YouTubers and you can ask them to promote your affiliate link. So another way you can find affiliate offers is called Offer Vault. So just go in Google, type in Offer Vault, and basically what Offer Vault does is they have on every affiliate network, they have all the products stored on Offer Vault. So let's say we're going with weight loss. Just type in here weight loss. You're going to find all of the products that you can actually promote in weight loss niche. So here you can see you can earn on some products up to $208 per purchase. So per lead you're going to earn $208. That is a lot of money just from one purchase. So this you can also find here some supplements, some other things like not only weight loss products, but as I said, like supplements, but you should focus on weight loss products because you're going to earn much higher commissions on that. Another way is, as I said, motivation. You should go through these motivational channels and you should also contact them, ask them to promote your affiliate offer, and you can actually offer them, for example, $100 to promote your affiliate product. So this is basically something like paid traffic. You're paying the highly targeted traffic, and basically when someone is watching these videos, they probably need some motivation, so they want to improve themselves, they want to achieve something in their lives. So you can actually, as I said, promote these motivational products on ClickBank, or you can just go on Offer Vault and type in motivation and find almost any motivational product right here. So I don't know why, let's say self-help. I don't know why, maybe I'm doing something wrong right here, but you should rewrite this, like not motivation, but let's try transformational. I think I'm not good with these categories, but as I said, you can find almost anything on Offer Vault. I think I didn't type in what niche is that, motivation or something like that, but as I said, if you don't want to promote ClickBank products, you can find almost any product out there, as I said, on any affiliate network on Offer Vault. Just go and sign up for that network and you're going to earn commissions. So it is really easy to do. For example, on ClickBank, if you want to earn commission, just click here on promote and type in your affiliate ID that you're going to get when you register for free. So you're going to register for free, and when someone clicks on your affiliate link, you're going to earn commission for that. So another niche that I would go is woodworking, guys. So I know a lot of you guys are going to think, why people even watch these kind of videos? You don't really like woodworking or something like that. But if you actually see, there are tons of potential, because this in this niche on YouTube, you can get crazy amounts of views. So here you can see this channel has in 1 month 2 million views, and actually woodworking products pay really good. So here you can see, if we go on ClickBank and we see this woodworking product, on average per sale you can earn $55. So that is a lot of money just for one sale, as I said. So these are probably woodworking courses, woodworking teaching. So basically you're trying to connect customer with a product, and you as a middleman, you're going to earn 69% on average per sale. So whatever they buy on this product, you're going to earn 69%. So that is one of the easiest ways, guys, to make money on YouTube without uploading videos. So for example, if you want to search, for example, this video right here, so woodworking project, if you check out this channel, probably they actually don't have any, or maybe they have, I'm not sure. So I think they don't have any affiliate products. So you can ask them and pay them to just post your affiliate link right here in the top of description, and when someone clicks on your affiliate link, you're going to earn, as I said, commission. So again, you can go on OfferVault if you don't want to use ClickBank. Just type in weight loss or woodworking or motivation. You can type in motivation as you saw, so you need to think about. So here you can see there are 51,000 products on OfferVault that you can actually find. So that is some crazy amounts. Just imagine how many products there only in 51,000 products are. So you can find here almost any product that is related to your niche that you're trying to promote. Connect them with a YouTuber, ask them to do a paid promotion, ask them to post affiliate link, and you're going to earn a commission. So that is basically, as I said, the easiest paid traffic. You're not always going to earn money, because when you maybe make a mistake on if you offer on woodworking videos weight loss offer, you're probably not going to get a lot of commissions. You're not going to get a lot of sales, because people don't really like what they are looking for. They are looking for woodworking products. They are not looking for weight loss products. So make sure to don't make that mistake. You don't want to offer something to the people that are not looking for. Also on vlog videos, you don't want to do paid promotion on vlog videos, because people that are watching vlogs are interested in many stuff. But this is niched videos, because when someone types in woodworking and they watch woodworking videos, they are highly interested in woodworking. So let's see if someone does this method that, so here you can see this guy is doing the method that I'm showing you guys. So here you can see these are all affiliate links. These are also Amazon affiliate links. So when someone clicks on this link and buy the product, they are going to earn commission, guys. So hope this small tutorial helped, guys. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure to press that like button, and also if you're new to my YouTube channel, make sure to press that subscribe button, because we upload daily videos on this channel on how to make money online, so you don't want to miss that out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, guys. Thank you guys for watching. See you soon, and bye.